Here in the Mid-Atlantic region, we pride ourselves on our partnerships with our states and the District of Columbia, and we have close relationships carrying out the environmental laws of our country and working together. But there were people here before these states and this nation existed, our native tribes, our First Nations, and we're so pleased that in this day and age in Mid-Atlantic region, we're able to honor and work more closely with the tribes that are located in our region. So Samantha, tell us a little bit about the evolution of this relationship with our tribes.
Well, we have been spending some time with the tribes that are located in Virginia since the mid-90s. But in 2016, the first of our tribes became federally recognized, the Pamunkey tribe. In 2018, 6 more tribes were recognized. They're located in the state of Virginia. Then in 2018, Brian Hamilton and I began founding the Region 3 Tribal Program, and we were able to develop deeper relationships with our tribes. Brian?
So thank you, Samantha. And it's really incredible to be able to stand here in the Regional Administrator Suite with the 7 federally recognized tribes located in Region 3's Insignias displayed. These are sovereign nations. They're governments that we are charged to work with just like our states. We have the Monacan Indian Nation, the Chickahominy tribe, the Rappahannock tribe, the Chickahominy Indian tribe Eastern Division, the Upper Mattaponi Indian tribe, the Nansemond Indian Nation, and the Pamunkey Indian tribe represented on this wall. Those are the 7 fairly recognized tribes located in Region 3. They're all building environmental departments. They all have environmental directors. They're building environmental capacity, and they're working day in and day out to protect human health and the environment on their tribal lands and for their citizens. And again, it's wonderful to be able to officially recognize their governments in our regional administrator suite in the regional office, and be able to ensure that people that visit the office understand that it's just not the states that we work with, it's also the federally recognized tribes in Region 3.
Yeah, thank you, Brian and Samantha, and we're so pleased to have our tribes, our sovereign nations here featured right in the Regional Administrator Suite, and we appreciate their partnership not just today and in the past, but going forward. Thank you so much.